Hi, what's up guys, it's Tony here and I'm back again with another video. So oftentimes people refer to Canva as low budget Photoshop. What they mean by that is that designs that are made from Canva are just flat, boring and nothing much, out of the ordinary. But that's quite false. I mean, if you look on your screen right now, the designs you see on your screen are all made from 100% Canva templates. So looking at those designs, you see that the problem is not about Canva, but the problem is with the user. I mean using Canva. You don't know how to search out interesting and already made templates that you can design from that are 100% professional. We even give people a hard time telling if this was designed on Canva or on Photoshop. And this is what I want to do in this video. I want to show you the simple ways and how to search for high-end, well-designed Canva templates that will give you that professional look your design or your business needs. So if you want to get all the juicy details, make sure you watch this video to the end. So without further shalaye, let's get to the video. Okay guys, so this is what you have been doing wrong. First, you guys go to Instagram templates like any of these, like let's say Instagram post, and click on it, and it gives you this boring generic like this one, generic templates, and you go on with it. I mean, this is basic, nothing out of the ordinary. Like then this one too, just basic, but you have been doing this wrong. Okay, so what I want you to do for me, let's just add another page here. Okay, so once you click on that template, I want you to scroll up. You see template, make sure you're on the templates tab. Okay, so on this template tab, what I want you to do for me is go down to food. You keep on scrolling down till you see food Instagram posts. Okay, then you click on see all. What I want you to see all is so you see all the templates and know which one looks so beautiful. Like this one looks basic, this one looks so nice, this one looks so nice, this one looks so nice. Okay, and so on and so forth till till the very end. This one looks so well designed too. I hope you are getting value from this particular video, and if you are, please don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And also, if you feel like leaving a comment, please do that for me. I appreciate that a lot. So let's continue with the video. So what I want you to do is, like this one that looks well designed, go here and click on these three dots. Okay, so when you click on these three dots, this pops up, like all of these things pops up. You will see the style. You can make changes to this also. But what I want you to do is, this is the person that designs this template, the designer. Okay, so you click on it, you see a code. This code is unique to all the templates that this designer has done. So why I love doing this is that templates are like what the designer made. Like if you're a good designer, you're going to make a good template like this one now. Okay, you must see very nice. Like if you scroll down, these are all designs made by this particular designer. Like look at this one looks not just basic, it looks like the current trend, like the whole design trend now going on in the world with all these elements. Okay, this one looks so nice. So if you are looking to design a flyer for any event, you select it. Then the same goes like if you still scroll down. Okay, like if you own a house plant or something, you need to promote anything related to this, you can customize it to your taste. Okay, so if you keep on scrolling down, you see, like, okay, look at the Black Friday design. Let me show you this. This doesn't just look ordinary. Okay, look at the glow. There is a glow inside even. Okay, and you can customize to your taste. So what I'm trying to say is this, that you are using boring templates is all 100% credit to the designer that designed that template. So if you use these formats I just showed you, okay, search out designers with great design skills that designs Canva templates. Trust me, you are going to find templates that are not just boring. Like this one looks boring though. You are going to find useful templates that don't look ordinary. So let's scroll back. Let's do it with one more another designer. So let's go over to see all. Okay, let's do it with one more designer and see what other designers has in store for us. Okay, so like the person that designed this is totally a genius. Like the person will know how to combine colors. So I want to see other templates this guy designed. Okay, so I click on that normal place I told you, the three dots, then look at the view more by golden graph. Okay, so this is the keyword. You can save this so that anytime you want to start designing, you can just simply paste this code in the comment in the template section, and it will bring out, you know, this particular designer, the templates. Then guys, trust me, how on earth do you say this is not nice? Like, how do you on earth, if you use this particular method and you end up with boring design? Look at these designs. There is nobody on earth, planet Earth that will deny, that will even, you know, say that this particular template is made on Canva. I mean, look at this is superb. Okay, then scrolling down to look at this. If you are promoting a product like Canvas or so, you can use this template. Look at this too. Look at that too. Like, there are so many. Look at this too. Like, there are so many. Look at now. Does this look like something that was designed on Canva? Nah. It looks like something that was designed on Photoshop. So I don't even want to stress much. This method has been working for me, and it will work for anyone out there. So you deserve better templates. You deserve better templates. Okay, don't stick to boring designs just because you are doing you are designing on Canva, and because you don't have, you know, sophisticated design skills like using Photoshop. No, you can still use Canva to make great designs like I just showed you. The only problem is you don't know how to use it. This is why I just showed you how. Please use this method. It works for events, for event templates. If you are designing an event flyer, so on and so forth. It just depends on the designer, the Canva, the template that is designed by the designer. Okay, so I think I've done justice to this particular video. I've shown you this. Is all the ball is in your court now to go over there and do your job. Practice makes perfect. Practice. Okay, so having look at this now, there are even so many templates. What am I even saying? Look at this, so nice. Look at this, they are still loading up. Okay, from this particular designer. I hope you guys got value in this video. If you did, please leave me a comment. Tell me how you feel about this particular video, or if you have any video requests, any video you want me to make research on and make a video about, please leave it in the comment section. If I get, you know, so many requests on that particular topic, trust me, I'm going to drop that video. Then for those that are not yet subscribed, you're welcome to my channel, and I call on you to please subscribe and join this growing YouTube community. And also don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button so that whenever I drop a new video, YouTube notify you that a new video is up on the channel. So having said all of this, I'm signing out now, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.